Hi everyone, I'm Alexa and I write the blog theduvallhomestead.com. I write about farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead here in Duvall. Homesteading to me means being with family, eating at the same dinner table, sharing laughter and memories, and doing things around your house that you will always remember. You are homesteading if you are cooking a meal with your hands from scratch, planting seeds in your garden to grow vegetables, maybe you're taking care of livestock or animals or children, maybe you're starting a family business. Anytime you are doing something that benefits your family and you are pioneering your way through life together for the betterment of your own family, that is homesteading to me. My channel is all about simple living and everything that encompasses. Farm-to-table recipes, cooking from scratch, using sourdough, cast iron skillet, bone broth, the old-fashioned way. Homesteading, learning how to start a garden, maybe have a chicken coop, how to build a chicken coop, or how to start composting. Just learning how to create that farm feel no matter where you live, because it is so important to live as natural as possible. Homemade soap and lotions, homemade cleaner for around the house, and just trying to stay as healthy as possible through reducing toxins in your home, at-home workouts, active lifestyle, and all the things that go along with natural living and creating the home that you would dream of with your hands, not buying expensive things at the store. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duvall Homestead.